Welcome to the AI and Future of Work podcast, episode 42. I'm Marcus Chen. In the next minutes, you'll discover a powerful AI tool and workflow that can dramatically increase your nomad income. Stay with me. This changes everything for nomads. Hook. Imagine this. A single 30-minute paid consultation turns into 5 sellable assets in under an hour of setup. You keep the live rate for the call, and then you 3x or 5x that revenue by packaging the recording into a checklist, a 15-minute micro course, a swipeable email sequence, a template bundle, and a gated transcript. AI handles the heavy lifting: transcription, summarization, repurposing, and automation. That is not theory. I've seen this executed with simple tools in a 60-minute MVP on the road. Promise. By the end of this episode, you'll have a reproducible pipeline, exact prompts you can paste into GPT-style models, the recommended stack, and a 7-day rollout checklist, so you can ship your first microproduct while traveling. Let's make this actually work for you. Section 1. Concept. The Consultation-to-Product funnel explained. Start with the live asset, the consultation call. Step 1, record and transcribe. Step 2, generate content blocks from the transcript, actionable tips, frameworks, examples, and templates. Step 3, map those blocks to product templates, a 1-page checklist, a 5-lesson microcourse script, a template pack, and an email launch sequence. Step 4, automate delivery and upsells. The funnel multiplies time. 1 hour of live time becomes multiple products that sell repeatedly while you travel.
Quick reality check. Quality and consent are the linchpins. If you repurpose a client session, you need explicit written permission and clear license terms. Offer anonymized or white label options if the client wants privacy. Also include a 15 to 30-minute human QA pass on every AI output, so the product retains your voice and value. Start small, but think big.
Section 2. Stack and exact prompts. Tools I recommend: Descript or Otter for recording and transcription, Rev for accurate transcripts when you need legal-grade accuracy, ChatGPT or Claude for summarization and repackaging, Canva for quick assets, Gumroad or Stripe for payments, Zapier or Make to automate, ConvertKit for email sequences. Now here are paste-ready prompts you can run immediately. Run them after you upload the transcript. Prompt 1. Call summary. Summarize this transcript into 8 clear, actionable bullet points. For each bullet, include a 1-sentence problem statement, a 1-sentence solution, and a simple example or micro-action the listener can take in under 10 minutes. Use this to create your 1-page checklist. Prompt 2. Outline generator. From the 8 bullets, generate a 5-lesson micro-course outline. For each lesson, include a 150-word script, 2 slide titles, and a single downloadable worksheet idea. This becomes your short course and the Canvas slide pack. Prompt 3. Micro course script. Using Lesson 3 as an example, expand into a 600-word lesson script with an intro, 3 teaching points, 1 client story or example, and a closing micro action. Keep it friendly, coach-style, and actionable. Drop this into Descript for a narrated micro course. Prompt 4. Sales page copy. Write a 300-word sales page headline, subhead, 3 benefit bullets, and a short FAQ that addresses price, refund policy, and time to complete. Emphasize time savings and portability for remote professionals. Paste the output into Gumroad or your landing page builder. Prompt 5. Email sequence. Create a 3 email launch sequence. Welcome, value sample, 1 lesson excerpt, upsell message with limited discount. Each email should be 120 to 160 words and include a clear call to action. Schedule these through ConvertKit with Zapier automation for purchase triggers.
Implementation steps, high level. Record the call with client consent. Transcribe. Run prompt 1 to get bullets. Run prompts 2 through 5 to generate products and launch assets. Do a 15 to 30-minute human edit on each output. Set up a Gumroad product. Connect it to your email sequence, and automate delivery with Zapier. Test the flow end-to-end before you promote.
Section 3. Monetization, pitfalls, and the 7-day action plan. First, how to price. Think in ladders. Example, the single checklist or template, $7 to $29. A 5-lesson micro course, $49 to $199, depending on niche and perceived ROI. Offer a coaching upsell or monthly membership for recurring revenue. License terms. Grant the client options. Anonymized case study, co-branded product, or full buyout for higher fees. That maps cleanly to Visa qualifying income because you have documented sales and recurring subscriptions.
Pitfalls to avoid. 1. Quality loss. Mitigate with the human QA pass and a short quality checklist. Accuracy, voice consistency, actionable steps, and a tested download. 2. Client consent. Use a 1-paragraph contract clause that explains reuse, anonymization options, and compensation split if applicable. 3. Over-automation. Keep a personal welcome email and 1 human follow-up touchpoint. These simple checks preserve your reputation and the customer experience.
7-day rollout checklist. Day 1, secure consent and record a consultation. Day 2, transcribe and run prompt 1. Day 3, generate course outline and checklist. Day 4, create Canva assets in a sales page. Day 5, write and schedule the email sequence. Day 6, set up payments, zap your automations, and test the purchase flow. Day 7, launch and monitor KPIs. For a roadside MVP, here's a 60-minute workflow you can do between meetings. 0 to 10 minutes, upload transcript to your generator. 10 to 30 minutes, run prompt 1 and prompt 2. Pick the checklist plus 1 lesson. 30 to 50 minutes, human edit and create a simple Gumroad product plus landing text. 50 to 60 minutes, schedule 1 launch email and enable delivery automation. Ship that minimal product and iterate based on real sales data.
A quick ethical checklist you can say out loud to clients. I will record and may repurpose anonymized excerpts for products. You can opt out or choose a white label agreement. Any repurposing will be edited by me first. Keep it short, clear, and on file. That transparency protects you and builds trust.
CTA, if you want the full blueprint, every Zap recipe, every exact prompt in templates you can copy, and a live audit of your first product, enroll in our high-income remote skills courses at nomadlifesuccess.com/courses. The course walks you through product templates, pricing calculators, and the exact Zap and ConvertKit recipes to automate delivery and upsells. Enroll now and ship your first product this week. That's your AI blueprint for today. Ready to implement this at a higher level? Enroll in our high-income remote skills courses at nomadlifesuccess.com/courses. Automate the ordinary. Amplify the extraordinary.
Quick sign-off. Start with 1 client call, protect privacy, add your human polish, and let the pipeline multiply your time. Let's make this actually work for you.
Automate the ordinary. Amplify the extraordinary. That's the show. Until tomorrow.